Hi, I'm Tom Butzler, and in this edition of Year-Round Gardening, we'll talk about pruning mature trees. I'll show you the benefits of pruning, the proper way to cut branches, and more. Let's take a look. When a tree reaches maturity, you'll really only need to prune to manage risk of disease, clear branches from infrastructure, deal with storm damage, and other similar situations. When you run into these kind of scenarios, proper pruning will help preserve and protect the tree's natural form. Cutting a tree limb incorrectly can cause the weight of the branch to tear the bark off the tree, resulting in a larger wound. This improper cut damages the tree's protective layer, making it more susceptible to infections and decay. And additionally, a larger wound takes longer to heal, compromising the tree's structural integrity and overall health. Proper pruning techniques, such as the 3-cut method, are essential to avoid these issues and ensure the tree's longevity. Before we start any pruning activity on branches, it is important to recognize the role and function of the branch collar. The branch collar is the swollen area where a branch joins the trunk of a tree. This region contains specialized cells that help heal wounds and prevent decay by forming callus tissue over pruning cuts. Preserving the branch collar during pruning is crucial because it facilitates quicker wound closure and protects the tree from infections and other damage. Proper pruning techniques ensure the branch collar remains intact, promoting the tree's long-term health and structural stability. There are several types of pruning cuts that can be used on trees, depending on what you are trying to achieve. What we will talk about today is a branch removal cut. This cut eliminates branches at their origin while retaining the branch collar. Use the 3-cut method to remove large branches safely. Make an initial cut on the underside of the branch to prevent bark tearing. Make a second cut further out to remove the weight. Finally, make a clean cut at the branch collar to ensure quick wound closure. And if the proper cut is made, over time, a callus will form over the wound.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit wpsu.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.